What do you do here? So now I am an office guy. I don't wrench as much. We're pretty busy and I am probably the world's worst YouTuber because I can't consistently make videos to save my life, to keep you guys up to date. Reddick, seriously, what do you do over here? Tony, you're the new face around here. What are you working on?
Working on a 80s Land Cruiser, doing a spring over axle kit.
And it's just bolt-on, right?
Yeah, just bolt-on with a little bit of liquid metal glue.
Oh, okay. Well,
yeah, you just use a little JB weld and you're good to go.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said I'm a cheap guy, I do what I want.
What?
You heard me. Bopar, no car.
Here.
Oh, this is for me?
It's for you.
Yeah. I'll make sure I put this on the next Toyota I outwheel.
Oh. Well, that was kind of painful. What are you doing?
Installing an AC brake and an AC compressor on a 1999 4Runner. Look what I can do.
Yeah, I don't have a real set purpose. I don't have like a set purpose for this video just yet, but we're cleaning shop today because our internet's been down since 3 a.m. There was an outage. Shout out Spectrum. Jerry, what are you doing?
I clean. I've finally gotten the approval to throw away a lot of stuff that Pablo's been holding on to for years that he has no use for and he forgets about until I want to throw it away. So I'm taking advantage of it and throwing a lot of old stuff away.
What do you do here? Family. Family's what he does here.
Oh, not Snap-on.
What's happening? It is on.
What's for free today?
Bad advice, candy, and pocket screwdrivers. And one of these.
We got some really cool projects that are coming down the pipeline, which is, it's going to be a lot of fun to cover those as they come in. I do have parts finally coming in for the GX460, so if you subscribed for that content, don't worry, it's coming. I know I stayed quiet for a few months because we kind of restructured the shop and I've been getting that all under control. So it's been crazy, but I kind of just wanted to release a video and let you guys know, hey, I'm alive, we're here, and all the guys are working. Kind of just let y'all know how things are going off in the shop, except I still don't know what Reddick does. I'm gonna trust that I can put you on camera, but your reputation is not the best.
Yes, boss. I am behaved. What do you mean?
Do we need to talk about the Manhole 2000?
Well, the next model's going to be coming out prototype in about a year, so.
No, we'll
wait. We'll wait.
I'm here to make a payment.
Swipe here for. Bing!
So Lael came over to help us, which has been a godsend because I was way behind, and Lael likes to build things, so he's having a blast, and I get to catch up on all my work that I haven't been able to do.
And it looks like he's building the suites out there.
Mm-hmm.
So those are finally getting done?
Yeah, a little bit, little by little, because the tables are really complicated, so we gotta find all the hardware for the tables, but we're getting stuff knocked out for sure.
Nice.
Yeah.
Bumper suite assembly has begun. The long-awaited bumper suite is in progress.
Oh. Look at them beauties.
In the heat of the moment. In the heat of the moment.
Where's your uniform today?
Sir, I'll have you know that I am wearing official trademark Tandem Offroad t-shirt.
Ah.
And all my work shirts was dirty because coolant got on like 3 of them in one day. So I don't have any clean shirts, and I didn't know that till this morning.
Hey, dude, want to have a Sharpie fight? Then we'd be like, trademark. My turn. Trademarks. Yeah, that was bad.
There's some times where I want to put you in the dumpster.
Joey, I need you to close out the video.
Well, it's been a day. Good day. It's been a good day. Not a great day, but not a bad day. Kind of an in-between, kind of middle kind of a day. But it's Friday, so that means it's a good day. And it means we could have a weekend, and it's Pablo's birthday weekend. Yeah. Everyone that watches, mark this date on your calendar and tell him happy birthday on the 16th, which is tomorrow. So probably after he posts this video. So belated birthday comments. And we'll see you in the next YouTube Tandem video. Rearrange those words and play it back.
Are you ready to tell everybody your title?
I do, actually, yes.
I'm done. I'm done. Quit.